I don't have flash on the other side, so we have to do it this way. Because we're
Is
out
this
here in the
thing
middle. Yeah.
You want me to face it this way or that way?
That way, yes, that way.
Right on.
Not here with my mini truck.
Right, it's
You're
recording.
facing it the wrong way, dude. Right here with my mini truck. The battery was dead on it. We couldn't get it to run, and then we found out we were only running off the battery. Started inspecting it, and here, I'll show you. Found out. There you go. The alternator belt's not even holding. It's so loose. Yeah. So we're going to tighten that up real quick so we can go on an adventure. There they are. I had a whole kit in here. What did we say? It was like 13 millimeter. 15 millimeter.
15/16.
15/16. Look at that. It's not a 13 millimeter. See, you were wrong. All right.
I was going to wear that same shirt today, except
Yeah?
mine had a mustard stain on it.
Oh, mine does too.
Oh, man. I think we're twins.
Yeah, we look alike. Brothers from different mothers.
Like Danny DeVito and Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah. Which one am I?
You're definitely Arnold.
Oh, thanks.
Grab it and pull.
Grab it and pull.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Got it.
That's what men do.
It would help if we did this before the sun went down, but no.
Who does that?
Yeah, fuck that.
Maybe you can use that big wrench to pry that heavy alternator up while you tighten up that wrench.
And not the pry bar?
Or the whatever. Oh, yeah, hey, look at that. But
Where can I pry off of?
the battery.
The battery? Oh man, that was quite loose.
That's what she said.
Shine your light in there again.
I'm trying, your big head's in the way.
Sorry. Oh shit.
What?
We parked it way over here.
I know. Now I'm going to have to push it again.
Do the honors, Travis, see if that thing spins over.
It does not.
It does not. Huh. Maybe now we'll actually have a freaking alternator. Bless you.
Thank you.
I could have saved me a battery, but no. It probably needed a new battery regardless.
Yeah.
All right, I'm happy enough with that. Let's try it again. Stand back and get my...
Let me blow my nose.
Okay, blow your nose.
Sorry.
Better?
You recording?
No.
You're going to push that by yourself? Yeah, that's what I thought. Look at him. Look at him struggle. That's your off-grid guru. It's okay, I'll do it one-handed, AJ. I barely even pushed that thing. You need to eat some Wheaties.
That's what's wrong. It's just not charging the damn thing.
I bet you're right.
Make sure I got a good connection here. A good connection here. That was better. All right. Maybe we do need to start a truck.
Man, that would have been crazy.
Oh,
Why don't
man.
you go get the other truck?
And we'll jump start this truck.
Yeah.
So we can jump start that truck. So we can finally drive around in the mini truck. If anybody wants to steal my truck, there's the key. Ah! See, I was just joking.
How do you do that? How do you do that?
Okay. I'll bring the tractor over.
I'm going to get it to start. I'm going to get it to start.
It's going to start. Oh, damn it. What the hell?
I remember my first day.
Freaking. These freaking headphones pulled the key. Turned the key off. I thought it died on me. It was just his headphones here. He's gone. Well, the dump truck's dead, and the backwards dead, and the tractor's dead, and the mini truck's dead.
I have a feeling you sing this song a lot.
Hey!
That is a lot better.
Let's go for a ride, Travis.
Oh, thank God.
Now we just capture some dash footage.
Wow, that's the glorious dash footage.
Well, that's a very close-up video of my windshield wiper there.
Nice.
Here, put it up here. There
we go.
There we go. Not a really bad truck at all. Let's see if nice night out look.
It is. A beautiful night with a beautiful man.
Oh, shucks. Thanks, babe.
What more could you ask for? Roadhead? I'm just kidding.
To be honest, I don't think you could accomplish that in this truck.
No.
Okay, you gotta make a left turn. You gotta let go. Let go. You spin the wheel and it's just like a baseball card. Your spokes. Oh shoot! I'm not gonna upload this video. All right, let's see how empty she is. Yeah, doesn't take much to fill it back up. Out here with my buddy Travis,
The on-grid guru.
the on-grid guru. I forget how big the tank is. I think it's a 10-gallon tank.
Really?
Yeah. Or liter. It should be liters because it's Asian. You wouldn't know anything about that, would you? Well, there goes my channel.
Yeah, you post that, you're done.
Oh, there we go. 5.5 gallons, $18. All right, that was fun. Quit laughing. I'm trying to record. They shut the lights off on us. I guess we better go. Let's see if she starts.
It's really cramped in this cab.
Yeah, shut up.
I'm just kidding.
You were worried it wasn't going to start.
It was.
I was too.
Big fucks and mini trucks. They closed. They closed as we were sitting here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they didn't let those people in.
I'm telling you, this is the way.
This is the way.
This is the way.
I told you to take a left.
I'll take a left.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. There's Dad's house. See, I told you.
I don't think this is the road.
This is not the road. We're on the way to the road. Oh, there goes the
Oh,
pump.
gosh. This
I got it. It's open.
It's the yard.
Oh, yard.
Dad's tiny house.
Dad's tiny house. Ta-da!